are you getting fair trades? With traditional finance, we have to do our own research or trust that the other party is giving us a fair trade. For example, Cash for Gold was offering to buy gold off clients for 81% under value. When clients hesitated to take this offer, Cash for Gold doubled this amount with a counteroffer. However, this trade is still 61% under value. Chainlink solves this problem with its decentralized gold price feed aggregator. This infrastructure ensures reliable price data. We can ensure fair trades with Chainlink's Truth Machine. Chainlink also has price feeds for oil and silver. WeiGold applies Chainlink price feeds to create a commodities vending machine powered by servo motors. It allows users to send their way for commodities via Chainlink's price weighing mechanism. WeiGold's structure can be simplified by looking at its hardware, blockchain, and front-end sections. WeiGold is built on Rinkeby, which is a testnet version of the Ethereum blockchain. Chainlink securely bridges external data to the deployed contract. Using Infura and Node.js, we are able to communicate data to the Raspberry Pi. As a result, the Raspberry Pi allows us to control servo motors based on blockchain data. This Raspberry Pi GPIO wiring diagram clarifies servo motor connections. Red is voltage, black is ground, and all other colors represent blockchain Boolean signal logic for buying gold, silver, and oil. During testing, 5-volt controlled servos moved smoother than 3v3 controlled servos. The Raspberry Pi first listens to the latest contract state to update servo positions. Then, we have a subscription for event triggers. When an event is triggered, we update the servos again. Subscriptions are more efficient than polling every second. Think of it this way. Waiting by your mailbox all day is similar to polling, while subscriptions tell you when the mail is delivered. Less S-load and S-store opcodes means cheaper Ethereum gas prices, and add, shift right, and shift left reduce S-load and S-storage usage. Bitwise opcodes allow us to compress all data into a single UINT data type. Shift left and shift right handles scale fee, and masking handles contract state. If we want to buy something, we need to check if the state is sold already, with Bitwise and resulting in 0. Message.value must also match the item price after fees. If both are true, then we will update the state with add, then tell the servo the state changed with an event trigger. Admin functions work with an owner address modifier to check if the message.sender value matches the owner address that was in the constructor. Withdrawals are allowed when the contract has funds to be withdrawn to prevent admins from wasting gas. State and scale fee set functions will revert if the current value matches the new set value to prevent wasting gas. The state must be less than 8 because the highest state possible with 3 bits true is 7. Integration tests confirmed that Pricefeed addresses on Rinkeby were correct. Unit tests were created based on smart contract flowcharts. A mock contract was used to force test values for functions calling Oracle Pricefeeds to get 100% solidity coverage. MetaMask is able to communicate with Infura to get blockchain data. We can display this data in our front end using jQuery, HTML, and Bootstrap. Site hosting is done using Fleek to integrate IPFS and Filecoin for free. Okay, now time for the demo. So first we're going to connect to MetaMask, and I'm going to buy some silver. Okay, now I'm going to buy some oil. Okay, and finally we're going to buy some gold. Let's try to steal the funds. So if I'm a buyer, it's going to say, hey, you're not the owner. So I have to become the owner to access the funds. Okay, now I'm going to change accounts, withdraw. Okay, while that loads, I'm going to reset the state of the servos. Finally, for dramatic effect, I will double the prices of everything. Okay. On the buy page, it should double everything. Okay, the prices doubled. Here's the event log from the servo, from the Raspberry Pi. And here are the servos. Here's the Raspberry Pi.